This is an Enhanced Compression Wavelet. It's a super compressed aerial map image. You usually need expensive GIS software, but EarthInView can open it for free with a plugin. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's install the plugin. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one ECW file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. We can trace the origins of the ECW extension back to the raster image file specification. The chosen format for data exchange is the Enhanced Compression Wavelet type. An ECW file is an Enhanced Compression Wavelet image file format, designed for efficient storage and retrieval of large geospatial raster images. Developed by ERDAS, later acquired by Hexagon Geospatial, ECW utilizes wavelet compression techniques to achieve high compression ratios while maintaining image quality. It is commonly used in GIS and remote sensing applications. ECW employs a discrete wavelet transform, DWT, based compression algorithm, allowing for progressive decoding and multi-resolution access. The format supports lossless and lossy compression, with adjustable compression ratios to balance file size and image fidelity. ECW files often include georeferencing information, enabling seamless integration with GIS software. An essential utility for interacting with ECW is recognized as ERDAS Imagine by Hexagon Geospatial. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows offers built-in viewing for many formats, but editing depth depends on graphics applications. The solution lies in finding the correct software match. Go to your ECW file, right-click, and select Open With. Use ERDAS. Imagine first if it is installed. If not, start testing other options until one successfully reads the file. When your ECW file does not open, it is usually a small issue. A specialized format like ECW demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, use Dedicated Viewer. Open the file using ERDAS Imagine Global Mapper or the free ER Viewer, as this is a geospatial image format. Next, check version. Ensure the viewer is compatible with the ECW version used to compress the image. Finally, convert to TIFF. Use the software's export function to save the image as a universal format like .tiff or JPEG. If testing all your local software still produces no results, the situation clearly calls for a professional utility. The final step is to deploy the tool that opens many resistant ECW files. I recommend FileMagic when the stakes are high. Its ability to force open and display the contents of a partially corrupted ECW file is simply invaluable. Find your copy at filemagic.com. We solved that issue quickly. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.